In the year of
How
horse,
can we
miss an exclusive pendant? The syncreasel is increased with 2 gold ingots. Rich immediately. Let's crochet together with the tutorial. Use 4 strands of yarn. Start with a chain stitch. Start with 5 chain stitches. Then insert the hook into the penultimate stitch. Hook single crochet stitch. And crochet 4 in turn. Then chain 1 stitch. The second row. First, crochet a single crochet stitch. Then crochet an extra single crochet stitch, which means crocheting 2 single crochet stitch in 1 stitch. And the remaining 2 stitches are 2 single crochet stitch. There are 5 single crochet stitch in total. Lock 1 stitch and turn the fabric. The third round. The fourth round is the same as the first. You can crochet 5 rows of single crochet stitch. At this time, break the thread on the 4th row of this leg. We chain 1 stitch and turn the fabric. First, crochet 4 single crochet stitch. And the last stitch is a single crochet stitch increase. Okay, after that, we chain 6 stitches. Then we connect with this. This is our first stitch. In this first stitch, and make a single crochet increase. After completion, the remaining stitches. Hook 4 single crochet stitch in turn. In this way, the 2 legs are connected. Turn the fabric. From the 6th to the 11th rounds are all crocheted without increasing or decreasing, and crochet 18 single crochet stitch. Pick half of the chain stitch needle. 6 chain stitch stitches. Follow this pattern to complete the 11th row. Finish the 11th round. We crochet 12 rounds. Lock 1 stitch and turn the fabric. Crochet 16 single crochet stitch. 16 stitches completed. There are 2 stitches left, so we make a decrease. Insert the hook into a stitch and bring the thread through. Okay, continue to insert the hook into another stitch and pass through 3 loops. This is the crochet method for decreasing stitches. We crochet the 13th round. The 13th round is to crochet decrease stitches first. First, hook a decrease stitch. Then crochet 14 single crochet stitch in turn. And the last stitch is a single crochet stitch increase. Turn the fabric and crochet the 14th round. The 14th round is to crochet an increase first. And then crochet 6 single crochet stitch in turn. After 6 single crochet stitch, then hook a decrease. After reaching this point, just chain 1 stitch. Continue to turn the fabric and crochet. First, we crochet a decrease. After the decrease is completed, we continue to crochet 6 single crochet stitch. And finally increase 1 single crochet stitch. After that, chain 5 stitches. Then turn the crocheting piece over and insert the hook into the second last stitch. And we crochet 5 single crochet stitch. Finish on the chain stitch. Next we pick up the full stitch and crochet. Finish 5 single crochet stitch. Start crocheting an extra single crochet. Then continue to crochet 5 single crochet stitch. Finally, make a decrease. Okay, 16 rounds are done. Next we chain 1 stitch and crochet 17 rounds. First, we crochet a decrease stitch. Finish the decrease. Start crocheting 5 single crochet stitch. Finish 5 single crochet stitch. Then crochet an increase. There are 5 stitches left. And hook 5 single crochet stitch and turn. This completes the 17th round. Lock 1 stitch and we'll crochet the 18th round. There are no complicated stitches. And hook according to the needle. When crocheting, just make sure you don't hook the wrong stitches. After each round, turn the fabric and continue crocheting. We hook a circle around its perimeter. To crochet a round of single crochet stitch to fix it. Start from the back of the cincreasel. Insert the hook into the first stitch. And pass through the first stitch behind it. Bring the thread over and chain 1 stitch. Continue to crochet single crochet stitch in this stitch. Then we start to crochet this. In this stitch, we crochet a single crochet. There are 10 rows, corresponding to 10 single crochet stitch. There are 2 single crochet stitch at the end here. We increase a single crochet stitch. We increase a single crochet stitch. Then start hooking the stitches in these corners. When you sew, please note that we increase 1 stitch. For the rest, just hook 1 stitch for each. When sewing, pay attention to the stuffing of the head. When changing thread, we'll go around this single crochet stitch. Insert the hook needle. Bring the thread over. Then insert the hook into the second stitch. Insert the hook, bring the thread over, and pull up. Pull the thread through and make a slip stitch. According to this rule, to complete this round of backstitch is completed. 10 chain stitches. And crochet 8 single crochet stitch and turn. Okay, the last stitch is 3 single crochet stitch. We crochet on one side of this stitch. First, crochet 7 single crochet stitch. The last stitch. A single crochet stitch increase. Finish with a single crochet stitch. This completes the first round. Lock one stitch and crochet the second round. In the first stitch, we crochet an extra single crochet. Then crochet 7 half double crochet stitches. Exit all loops. The method of crocheting half double crochet stitches. Then crochet 3 single crochet stitch increases. Then 7 half double crochet stitches. Then 2 groups of single crochet stitch are increased. The third round is unchanged, and crochet a round of single crochet stitch. Finally, change the thread. We'll pull up around. Insert the hook into any stitch. Is the same as the one in the main body. Is the same. After pulling out, our syncreasal part is completed.